We'll guide you through how to use Vercel CFO for managing your cloud functions. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel dashboard by logging into your account from your desktop browser. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of your projects. Click on the project you want to manage, and you'll be directed to the project details page. Here, look for the Functions tab in the sidebar under Observability, and click on it. This will open up the Cloud Functions overview, where you can view all the functions related to your project. To deploy a new function, you need to click on the Add Function button. You'll be prompted to configure your function with options like the runtime environment, entry point, and memory limits. Make sure to provide a unique name for your function to avoid any conflicts. After configuring, click Deploy to publish your function. You can also edit existing functions by selecting them from the list and clicking Edit. This allows you to update the code, adjust settings, or redeploy the function. If you want to monitor the performance or logs of your functions, click on the Logs tab, where you can see real-time logs and analytics to help debug or optimize your functions. Additionally, you can set up environment variables for your functions by going to the Settings tab and scrolling down to the Environment Variables section. This allows you to securely manage sensitive information required by your functions. Remember to save any changes you make. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.